Your job pays you every single week or every 2 weeks. But after bills, food, gas, subscriptions, and even stress, are you actually paying yourself anything? A lot of workers spend years helping companies grow while never building ownership for themselves. And that's one of the biggest reasons so many people feel financially trapped. Because every paycheck comes in and every paycheck disappears. Now, before we get into all of this, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And today we're talking about something that could slowly change your financial future if you stay consistent. Not overnight, not get rich quick, not fake internet guru advice. Just a realistic mindset shift for workers, ordinary people. Because whether you work a full-time or part-time job, you deserve more than just surviving every single week. And a lot of people, they think building wealth means you need thousands of dollars. But honestly, for many workers like me and you, wealth starts with consistency, not perfection. And one thing I wish more workers understood is this. Your paycheck should not only pay bills, your paycheck should slowly buy assets too. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, every paycheck, you should consider paying yourself first before the world takes all your hard-earned money. And sometimes paying yourself means saving money, building an emergency fund, or buying assets that can grow over time. Now, one example many people talk about is ETFs that track the S&P 500, ETFs, exchange traded funds. Okay. For those who don't know, the S&P 500 tracks many of the biggest companies in America. Instead of trying to pick one perfect stock, many people choose ETFs because it spreads risk across multiple companies. Now, this is not financial advice. This is simply educational content and just sharing ideas and perspectives to help my ordinary workers do big things with their income. But imagine this. What if every paycheck, instead of spending every dollar immediately, you slowly bought ownership? Even if it was one ETF share or partial share at a time. Now, some broker companies allow for you to do fractional shares. You got to look that up on your own, but do your own research. But in any case, consider ETF at least a share. A lot of workers underestimate consistency because social media makes everything look so fast, like things happen in a blink of an eye, the snap of a finger, overnight success, right? But real wealth for many everyday people is usually slower. And honestly, slower is sometimes safer mentally too, because many workers are already stressed enough. Bills are higher, food is more expensive, rent and mortgage is expensive. People are mentally exhausted. So the goal isn't trying to become rich overnight. The goal is slowly stopping drowning financially. You don't want to continue to drown financially because that leads to stress and more stress. And one thing that keeps many workers stuck is this cycle. Work, pay bills, and repeat. Work, pay bills, and repeat. Year after year without building ownership. And ownership truly matters because when you own assets, your money can potentially start working alongside you. Now, again, nothing is guaranteed in investing. Markets do go up, markets go down, it fluctuates. But many long-term investors understand one important thing. Consistency over time can matter more than trying to perfectly time everything. And honestly, many workers already have discipline. You already wake up early, you already work long shifts, you already show consistency at the job. The problem is a lot of us workers never actually apply that same consistency toward ourselves financially. Imagine if the discipline you gave your employer was partially redirected toward your own future. You see, when you think about it, it's powerful. Now, let's be real for a second. A lot of people watching this are probably tired, mentally tired, financially stressed, emotionally distorted. And sometimes survival mode makes it hard to even think long term. And I understand that, because when someone is stressed about bills, investing can feel impossible. But this is why small steps matter. Not everybody starts with thousands. Some people literally begin with saving $10, $20, $50, and slowly building from there. See, the important part is creating a habit, because habits can change your future over time. And another thing workers need to understand is inflation. You see, your money sitting still forever often loses buying power over time. That's why many people look for ways to grow money slowly through investing, high yield savings accounts, businesses, or other assets. Now, again, this is not financial advice, just educational discussion with my working people, those who doing everything they can to make them dollars work. But financially, workers have to start thinking beyond just surviving paycheck to paycheck forever, because life moves very fast and inflation goes crazy. Years move fast, and many people wake up one day realizing they worked extremely hard but never built anything for themselves. That's the scary feeling. And honestly, this channel is really for the workers trying to change that. Not fake motivation, not pretending life is easy, but realistic financial conversations for everyday working people. Those who are doing everything they can, trying to keep the mindset together to build wealth, work hard, and be disciplined. Because if you work full-time, part-time, multiple jobs, or overtime constantly, you deserve a strategy too. Even small progress matters. Small ownership matters. Consistency matters. And one of the biggest mindset shifts is this. Instead of asking how fast can I get rich, ask how can I slowly stop being financially vulnerable. That's the different mindset completely, because financial peace matters. Less stress matters, more options matter, and slowly paying yourself first can help change the way you think about money entirely. So as you move through this week, think about the question, is your paycheck only paying bills, or is it slowly building your future too? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, we make videos over at Steps to Prosper for ordinary working people looking to do more with their money.